ultra thin mechanical watch. So let's go ahead and open it up, show you guys what you get. So very nice presentation. I love the pillow that it comes with. It's good for displaying it. So you take the band off like this. Peel the plastic off. So let me show you guys here. You first pull this piece up like that, and then you pull this other piece up like that, and then you lift up, and that's how you take your band off, and you can adjust it. When you put it on, you guys see the little teeth right here. You put that on the bar, kind of pull back a little bit, snap that down, just like that. It is so simple and easy. Once you do it a couple times, you can do it within seconds. I love this band. So nice, my friends. Really, really nice. Wow. Take a look at this, my friends. That is stunning. That is a stunning watch. Stainless steel. ATM water resist, automatic. So automatically charges, aka automatically winds up as you wear it. As you can see, that spinning, that actually is winding up the clock. Therefore, you never have to manually wind it. To set the clock, you just simply pull out the little piece here, and then you can adjust the time just like that, my friends. Here's how it would look on your wrist.